Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make zip file. Zip file can contain multiple files combined and compressed into one file, and it makes this file easier and faster to download. So, how to make a zip file? So as you can see here, I have four documents right here at the right side of your screen. Now, if I want to make a zip file, all I need to do is choose these four files right here and then right click. Then you will find an options right here. So you just click this compress to zip file. Then you just wait a few seconds until the files are compressed. And finally, you have now a zip file. And here you can now change the name of this folder. So for example, I want to name this one a new zip file. So that's how you basically making a zip file on your computer. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.